becoming a pandemic of the unvaccinated, and that is also our experience here in Tennessee.
COVID-19 cases are spiking once again in Tennessee, and the health department says the people ending up in the hospital tend to be Tennesseans who haven't received their vaccine. Take a look at the far end of that graph on the right side.
10 News reporter Caitlin Keenahan joins us to talk about the trends that we're seeing concerning this virus. Caitlin.
After 15 months of COVID-19, we are still tracking data reflecting the number of people testing positive. While we have declined from the number of cases we saw last winter, we're starting to see another mini spike.
On Wednesday, more than 1,400 Tennesseans tested positive for COVID-19, up from just 300 a day we saw at the beginning of July.
Even in the last 7 days, our numbers continue to go up.
A sign of concern.
It is a noticeable uptick and doesn't currently show any signs of slowing.
Hospitalization numbers are up.
When you have that increase in positivity rate, you're going to see a commensurate increase in hospitalization.
According to the Department of Health, it's affecting some people more than others.
This is becoming a pandemic of the unvaccinated.
TDH data shows as many as 97% of people testing positive are unvaccinated.
In almost all of the cases of severe illness, so things that are resulting in hospitalization and death, almost all of them are amongst the unvaccinated.
Across the state, there have been 1,000 breakthrough cases where a vaccinated person tested positive for COVID-19. Among those people, 27 died.
We know that when people get vaccinated and then they become infected, they are less likely to be seriously ill, and some of them have very mild symptoms.
Governor Bill Lee also raised concern about the new spike.
We know that we have COVID with us for the foreseeable future.
He encouraged people to get vaccinated and fight the spike.
I want to be sure and communicate this to Tennesseans. The most effective tool that we have to manage COVID is a vaccine.
The department said last week they would stop vaccine outreach to minors, but they said in a meeting this morning that they will resume vaccination events at schools across the state.